Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, everybody. Our lesson today is in page 364. Our lesson is about adding and subtracting algebraic fraction. Adding and subtracting algebraic fraction. Our lesson in page 364, adding and subtracting algebraic fraction. Okay. In the beginning, all of us know that addition and subtraction of fractions occur only when I have like fractions. What does it mean by like fractions? Like fractions means I have the same denominator. So here, to solve fraction, addition or subtraction fractions, you have to make like denominators, same denominators, okay, and then add or subtract the denominators regularly. Here in your book, explain to us in the beginning you have to find the lowest common denominator when adding or subtracting. Find the lowest common denominator when adding or subtracting. Multiply out the numerator after adding or subtracting. Let's see how we can solve this kind of problem, and start with me in exercise 2. Inshallah, I solve number 2, number 4, number 6, number 7, 9 and 10 as a classwork. Also from exercise 2 star, I'll solve 5, 7 and 11 inshallah. Let's start in exercise 2, page 364, question number 2. Here I have fraction x over 2 minus x plus 2 over 4. You will find most of the problem I'll solve with you with subtraction. Because as I say always, the negative sign is a dangerous sign. Okay, we will follow the same way in all problems. To make like denominators, to make like fractions, I prefer to make this way. And I think I told about it a lot in our class when we solved fractions before. How? Like this. Down, multiply. So I have 4 times 2 equal 8. This is the like denominator for both fractions. And then please walk in order from left to right. From left, x times 4 equal 4x. And we have minus. Circle it. Now 2 multiply x plus 2. So I will put x plus 2 between brackets as we used to do, to not forget that you will multiply 2 by x and 2 by 2. Okay, clear? Now let's complete. The denominator will be 8 as it is. What about the numerator? 4x. This is the 4x. Take care. Negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Multiply x equal negative 2x. No need to put brackets. Now negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Multiply positive 2 equal negative 4. Like this. Now I have 4x minus 2x minus 4 over 8. I'll collect the like terms together. 4x minus 2x equal 2x. And minus 4 over 8. I didn't finish. I have to simplify full. I'll take common factor from the denominator, which is 2, and open brackets x minus 2. And down is 8. Now I'll simplify. Divided by 2 equal 1, and divided by 2 equal 4. So the answer is x minus 2 over 4. X minus 2 over 4. Okay, this is a problem again. I don't have like denominators, so I'll make this cross. Multiply the two denominators down to make just one like denominator, 8. and up. I'll walk from left to right. Please always walk from left to right in order, because no problem in case of addition, but it will be a big problem in case of subtraction. Now x multiply 4 equal 4x. Now 2 multiply x plus 2, I have to put it between brackets, and the operation is subtraction. Now I'll take 4x as it is, and negative 2 multiply by x, and negative 2 multiply by 2. This is the answer. This is the problem. Then I'll collect 4x minus 2x equal 2x minus 4, as you see here. Take a common factor from the denominator, which is 2, open brackets, x minus 2 over 8. Simplify 2 and 8, divided both of them by 2. So you have up x minus 2 and down 4. This is the first problem in our lesson, adding and subtracting algebraic fraction. Exercise 2, page 364, question number 2. Now, I'll take another problem. The same exercise, exercise 2, page 364, addition problem. Okay, look here. I have x plus 3x, x plus 3 over 4. We can put this x over 1, yes, and make what I said. I'll not change my goal. I'll always solve like this. Okay, now equal, I have the denominator down is 4. 4 times 1 equal 4. And take cross, x multiply 4 equal 4x. We have in the middle plus, decent sign, addition. And 1 multiply x plus 3. So it will be 1 multiply x and 1 multiply 3, like this. Collect the like terms. We have 4x and x equal 5x plus 3 over 4. And this is the simplest form. I can't do anything else. I think very easy. Another problem. Number 6, the same exercise 2, page 364. I'll make common denominator like this. How? 3 multiply 4 equal 12. Now 4 multiply x minus 1. 4 open brackets, x minus 1, like this. And we have plus, addition. 3 multiply open brackets, x plus 2, like this. Now I have down 12 and up 4 multiply x equal 4x. 4 multiply negative 1 equal negative 4, like this. Then plus 3 multiply x equal 3x, and 3 multiply 2 equal 6, like this. I'll collect the like terms up. The denominator down is 12. We have 4x and 3x, both of them positive, so it will be 7x. Negative 4 and positive 6, sign of bigger, and subtract. And this is the final answer for question number 6, 7x plus 2 over 12. Please, 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 attention. Don't simplify 2 and 12 together. It's addition, not multiplication. I say this a lot of times in our class. Some students cancel with each other. No, no, it is not allowed in case of addition and subtraction. Okay, so in the beginning, I'll make like denominator, which is 12. As he said to me, common, lowest common denominator, okay, and then multiply cross. Now, picture number 7. Question number 7, exercise 2, page 364. Now it's subtraction. Make circle around the sign. I'll do the same. The denominator, the lowest common denominator is 10. 2 multiply 5. And this 5 multiplied by x minus 3, so I'll put x minus 3 between bracket. Negative, take care بالله عليكم, okay? And 2 multiply, open brackets, x plus 1, like this. Now, denominator 10 and up, 5 multiply x equal 5x, 5 multiply negative 3 equal negative 15, negative 2 multiply x equal negative 2x, and negative 2 multiply positive 1 equal negative 2. Attention from the negative sign. Take care, take care, take care, take care. Now, the denominator is still 10, and up I'll add 5x minus 2x. So I'll take the sign of bigger and subtract. Negative 15 and negative 2 equal negative 17. So the final answer for question 7 is 3x minus 17 over 10. There is no more simplification. This is number 7. Another problem. Number 9, exercise 2, page 364. As we used to do, the like denominator will be 9 multiply 6. 9 multiply 6. Okay, but we can take another thing. Lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator. But I prefer to follow the same way, to not confuse. We can take 36 as a common denominator, but I prefer to follow the same way each time. I multiply, it will be 54. Now 9 multiply 3x minus 2. Minus, and make circle around the subtraction. 6 open brackets 3x minus 2, like this. Now I have the same denominator 54. Distribute 9 times 3 equal 27x. And 9 times negative 2 equal negative 18. Negative 6 multiply 3 equal negative 18x. And negative 6 multiply negative 2 equal positive 12, like this. Negative times negative. The problem is this is 3x plus 2. I'm sorry. This is 3x plus 2. So here we have plus. So here it will be negative. The problem is 3x plus 2. 3x minus 2 over 6 minus 3x plus 2 over 9. So I'll make cross sign like this. The denominator will be 54, and the 9 multiply 3x minus 2. 6 minus, subtract, 6 multiply 3x plus 2, like this. Distribute 9 times 3 equal 27x. 9 times negative 2 equal negative 19. Negative 6 multiply 3x equal negative 18x. Negative 6 multiply positive 2 equal negative 12. Now let's collect the like terms together. I have 27x and negative 18x, so it will be 9x. And negative 18, negative 12, it will be negative 30 over 54. I didn't finish. Okay. Now I reach to 9x minus 30 over 54. Okay, I'll take a common factor from the denominator, which is 3, and open brackets, it will be 3x minus 10 over 54. Now divided by 3 up and 3 down, it will be 18. So the final answer is 3x minus 10 over 18. This is the problem. Number 9, make like denominator 54, like this. And this is the final answer, 3x minus 10 over 18. Inshallah, when I finish and received the homework from you, after I receive the homework from you, I'll make a copy from these problems and send them to you, inshallah. Okay, now I want to solve number 10. I don't have extra board, so let me erase it or solve it on a paper. I can solve it on a separate paper. Number 10. In number 10, exercise 2, we have 2x over 3 minus 2 minus 3x over 6. Okay, I do the same. So, the denominator will be 18. And 6 multiplied to 6 equal 12x minus, this is 12x, minus 3, open brackets, 2 minus 3x, like this. Okay. And then I have down 18. Okay, and 12x minus 3 times 2 equal negative 6. Negative times negative equal positive 9x. Now 12 and 7 equal 21x minus 6 over 18. I'll take a common factor, which is 3. It will be 7x minus 2 over 18. Okay, now divided by 3, here equals 6. So the answer is 7x minus 2 over 6, like this. I'm sorry, I repeat number 10 again. I'm so sorry يا بنات. I think I take it wrong. I take it from the book. Number 10. We have 2 over 3, not 2x. Yes, 2 over 3. I'm so sorry. I solved another problem. Consider what I solved as a new problem, and you can solve it like this without number. Consider it as example. Okay. Okay. Another problem. As you see, I don't have board. Yes, another one. Okay, this is number 10. I'm so sorry يا بنات. Number 10, exercise 2, page 368. I have 2 over 3 only minus 2 minus 3x over 6. Okay, it's correct now. Now, the least common denominator, we can change this 3 into 6 multiplied by 2 up and 2 down. So the equivalent fraction will be 4 over 6 minus 2 negative 3x over 6. Okay, this is subtraction. So here 4 minus 2 plus 3x, like this. 4 minus 2 plus 3x over 6. I have that same denominator. Now collect the like terms together. 4 minus 2 equal 2. plus 3x over 6. Please don't simplify 2 with 6. It's addition, not multiplication. This problem is easier than I wrote. Okay. Now I'll solve other problems from exercise 2 star. All the boards finished. I'm sorry, I want to erase one board. Now I am in exercise 2 star, page 364. I'll solve number 5. Okay. In number 5 we have 4x plus 2 over 2 minus, and circle the subtraction, 2 open brackets 5x minus 3 over 4. Look carefully to this problem from exercise 2 star, page 364, number 5. Okay, here I can make like denominator multiply by 2 up and down to make the denominator is 4. To make the denominator is 4, or as we used to do, to make the cross. Now here if I multiply up by 2, so 2 multiply 4 equal 8x, and 2 multiply 2 equal 2. Down it will be 4, minus I have 4, distribute 2 multiply 5 equal 10x, and 2 multiply negative 3 equal negative 6. We have negative here. Now I have like denominator 4. Up we have 8x plus 2 minus 10x plus 6. Take care, because I'll distribute this negative for all you see. Now I'll collect the like terms. We have negative 2x and positive 2 and 4 is 8. Over 4. I'll take 2 is a common factor. We have negative x plus 4 over 4. Divided by 2, divided by 2. So we have up